Welcome to CAD Station. Another tutorial for you. We are going to draw this part. So let's start our drawing. New document. We have part. Okay, and we are going to draw in millimeters. And top plane. Select top plane. Sketch. First of all, going to draw this bottom part. Square or rectangle. It is of 120 by 100, 120 by 100 center rectangle, smart dimension 120 by 100. Okay, extrude it up to this. Extrude is of 20, extrude up to 20 mm. Okay, now for this part, I'm going to here, select this, sketch, control 8 for normal. Now first select this line and made it for construction. From origin, vertical line. Okay, smart dimension. This line is of 60 mm. Make it of 60 mm. Okay, now select circle. From this origin, one circle and second circle. These circles is of 20 mm diameter and 25 mm radius. Smart dimension 20 mm, and it is of 50. Now select line command. From this edge to the circle and chain from this edge to the circle. Escape. Now select this 2 and make a relation tangent. Okay, then select these two and make relation tangent. Okay, now select trim entities, trim it and trim it. Okay, now extrude it. Go to features, extrude boss base, and now you have to select contours. Select this part, and now you can see it's going backward. We have to draw it inwards. Click on this arrow and okay, now it's complete. This rectangle and this part is ready. Now I have to extrude cut these slots. For these slots, like this face, sketch, control 8. From here is horizontal and this one. Now again from here to here, one more slot. Escape. Make a relation. Select this slot, control and this slot. Make equal slots. Okay, now this is of 50 millimeter and 60 millimeter apart. This is of 50 mm and 60 mm apart. Okay, now 20 millimeter from here distance, from here to from this line to this is 20 mm and 20 mm. This radius is 6 mm. This is of 6 mm. Okay, and 50, 60, 6 and 20. Now 50 millimeter from the center of circle to the end of the block. 50 from the center to the edge, it is 50. Now it's complete. Go to features, extruded cut. Oh, one more thing, you can see this slot is on left hand side and this is on right hand side. For this, select this and select this and make vertical. Now this is completed. Okay, extrude cut up to simple, make it through all, you don't have to mention any dimension. Okay, now this block is ready, but only one thing left is this part. For this part, this is of 80 millimeter, 80 millimeter or by 10 mm extrude. Select this face, sketch, control 8, corner rectangle from this edge to this side. Oh, from select, you have to not click on this midpoint. If you click on the midpoint, then you can't be able to mention dimension. So I am going to click here. Now smart dimension, this side is of 10 mm. Okay, okay, features, extruded boss up to, we have to extrude it up to 80 mm. Okay, okay, now you can see here is a chamfer of 45 degree by 20 mm. Click chamfer, select this and this and make 20 mm and 45 degree is by default. Okay, now select this face, control 8, sketch. You have to draw these 4 circles. First of all, I'm going to just draw simple 4 circles. 1 2 3 4. I have drawn these 4 circles randomly. Now I am going to mention some relations. Select this and these, and first of all select these all circles and make relation equal. Okay, now select this center point and make relation horizontal. Escape this, control this and horizontal. Okay, now this center point and this one is vertical, and okay, this one and this one is vertical. Okay, now for dimensioning, this circle is of 10 millimeter dia, smart dimension, its diameter is 10 mm. Okay, and it is of 50 millimeter apart and 40 millimeter. 50 millimeter from here to here, it's 50 millimeter, and 40 millimeter, this one from here to here is 40 mm. And one more thing, from here to this edge is 25 mm. From this center point to this edge is 25 mm. Okay, and from here to the wall is 20. From here to the wall is smart dimension. From center of circle to the wall is 20 mm. We have 40 mm. This dimension is just vanished from here. It is of 40 mm. Okay, now it's done. Simple, go to features, extruded cut and extrude cut. You can select blind and make it to the, as long as you can see, or just simple go to through all and okay. Now your drawing is ready. Simple appearance. select this color. Okay, perspective and plain white. Now isometric view, select isometric view. Now you can see your drawing is ready. Hope you can understand this tutorial. If you have any problem, then you can ask me on comment.